Hello everyone. Chief Justice Zondo has said the judiciary will not be intimidated by anyone. He was speaking at the 5th annual judiciary report at the Constitutional Court in Johannesburg. The comment came after Zondo referred to the state capture inquiry which he led and how former President Jacob Zuma defied a court order to testify at the inquiry. He said, when we look at the 2021 to end 2022 financial year, we see that certain events occurred in our country, which tested our constitutional court's role as the upper guardian of our constitution to the limit. I'm talking about the attacks that we saw directed at the judiciary in general and certain specific judges and various courts in particular, and the justices of the constitutional court. He said most of those attacks followed constitutional court judgments in matters between the Zondo Commission and Zuma after the former president's defiance of the court order to appear before the commission. Zondo said Mr. Zuma's defiance of a summons was not only a challenge to the commission, but a challenge to our entire legal system and the constitution. The Constitutional Court, as the upper guardian of the constitution, rose to the occasion and held that his conduct had been unlawful and ordered him to testify before the commission and answer questions except those that will legitimately be covered by the privilege against self-incrimination. The court held that as a witness in a commission, like everybody, Mr. Zuma has no right to remain silent because that right belongs only to an accused in a criminal trial. Mr. Zuma defied the order to appear before the court, something that was completely unthinkable in our constitutional democracy. While former President Jacob Zuma said that he had the right to remain silent, Zondo said this was simply not true because as a witness, he never had such a right. The Constitutional Court found that Zuma was in contempt of court and sentenced him to 15 months imprisonment. Zuma's imprisonment was followed by the riots. According to Zondo, the judiciary was threatened and intimidated. He said it became so bad, some members of the judiciary had to have protection role provided for in the constitution. He said the situation worsened at the beginning of January 2022 when Tourism Minister Lindiwe Sisulu wrote an article in which she insulted the judiciary by saying that it was a puppet of white masters. Zondo said no matter his or her position in society, he will always decide on cases without fear or failure or prejudice. This is the oath of office and the oath we have taken, and this is the oath of office we will always honor. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.